Hi guys, AJ2 back. Today we are going to watch a video about the simple past tense of regular verbs with the ID or ED sound, the id sound. And to form or to have this sound, guys, all you need to know is that those verbs that end in T or in D are the ones that can give you the sound, the id sound. For example, you have start. Start has a T at the end. When you add ed, then it gives you started. And let's say attend. Attend ends and D. So when you add ed, it gives you attended. So this is pretty much those verbs that you use in order for you to have the id sound. And those verbs are much easier for you to form the past tense because you just have to have in mind the T sound, the T ending and the D ending, and you just combine with the ed, then it gives you the id sound. So learn this, learn the form, the correct pronunciation of these verbs in order for you to use them, properly in your conversation. So watch this video, comment if you have more verbs that you want to let us know in order to add into our next video. Then you can also write this down in the comment, and also make sure you subscribe, activate the bell, and also share the video in order to make our community grow. So we finish with this video here, and we hope that you really enjoy it. So bye bye, happy studies with JJ2.
Verbs ending in T. Wanted, wanted. Started, started. Visited, visited. Associated, associated. Detected, detected. Delighted, delighted. Arrested, arrested. Attracted, attracted. Appreciated, appreciated. Alerted, alerted. Verbs ending in D. Needed, needed. Ended, ended. Afforded, afforded. Avoided, avoided. Attended, attended. Included, included. Loaded, loaded. Headed, headed, blinded, blinded, divided, divided,